everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This morning I'm going to share healthy omelet recipe that I usually make in the microwave with less oil in it. So I'm going to start the recipe. I'm going to make it with 2 large eggs. I need oil. You can use any type of oil since it's healthy, so I'm going to use olive oil. Pepper, not ground pepper, but whole peppercorn, and the salt, milk, and I'm going to add fresh ingredients such as onion, about this much, white onion, you can use any kind of onion, about 1/4 of the big size tomato. I think it's called the red vine tomato, something like that. It's not the Roma tomato. And then a little bit of spinach. It's chopped up. Of course, everything is cut up and chopped up. And then I'm going to use mushroom. It's 1 mushroom and it's chopped up as well. Everything is washed and cleaned. And this is what I add, a little bit of the mint leaves, like 4 or 5. Trust me, it tastes so good after adding the mint leaves. It just gives it such a fresh kick. Okay, so these are the ingredients. I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so I've mixed everything up. Not mixed up, but I've put everything together, including the fresh herbs, my tomato, my onion, everything that I just showed you, and then my pepper and salt. You can use red pepper too, you know, any kind of red pepper instead of the black pepper. And then I'm going to add my oil. Sorry, I'm using one hand. About like 1/2 tablespoon of oil, and you can adjust the quantity of oil as well. And then I'm gonna add milk. I'm sorry, I gotta open the lid with one hand, so that's why it looks kind of rough. Okay, anyway, about 1 tablespoon of milk. The more milk, the more soft it's gonna come out after I microwave it. So I'm gonna whisk everything together. All right, so after whisking everything together, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And I'm gonna, once it's 2 minutes are up, I'm gonna check and I'm going to cook it more if needed. So don't, like when you're putting it in the microwave, don't sit it for a long time, like no more than 2 minutes is what I'm trying to say. Like no 5 minutes at all, it's gonna overcook. 3 minutes, it can get tricky. So I'm gonna start with 2 minutes and keep on cooking until I like the consistency. Okay. All right, after two minutes, this is what it looks like. Obviously, it's not cooked through. So I'm gonna put it in again for about 1 minute. So this is what it looks like after 1 minute and 30 seconds of cooking in the microwave, and it depends on your microwave too. Some are newer and they have more power, and some are old so they don't. So you can tell it's cooked and it's very soft. I didn't want to make it too hard. The more you cook, the more it's going to get hard and chewy. And this is perfect for me. So I'm going to plate it and I'm going to show it to you. All right, so this is what it looks like. I have sliced it into 4 pies. You can have it with ketchup, any kind of sauce that you like. But yeah, soft, nice, less oil, healthy. Enjoy. Leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.